Hello friends, my name is Kinjal Bhavsar, lecturer in EC department from BPMP Polytechnic College. Then subject name microcontroller, then unit name 8051 hardware, and topic is block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. Next, these are the objectives. First, what is 8051 microcontroller family? Then specific features of 8051. Then block diagram of 8051. So first of all 8051 microcontroller family. So in 8051 microcontroller family from Intel, it's contain 8031, 8051, 8751, 8032, 80C525, okay, etc. are the microcontroller. Then in year 1980, Intel Corporation introduced 8-bit microcontroller, that is 8051 microcontroller. Then in this microcontroller, CPU, that means central processing unit, can work with 8-bit of data at a time. Then 8051 microcontroller architecture is based on Harvard architecture. Harvard architecture, that means ki program memory and data memory are separate. Then in this external memory, read-write capability is built up as a part of architecture. Then this is the special features of 8051. So in 8051 microcontroller, it's contain 8-bit CPU with register A that means accumulator, and B. Then it also contains 16-bit program counter that means ki PC, and data pointer, that means ki DPTR. That means two 16-bit register, program counter and data pointer. Then it also contains 8-bit program status word PSW. Then 8-bit stack pointer. Then internal ROM of 4 kilobytes. Then internal RAM of 128 bytes. The internal RAM divided into 3 parts. First part, 4 register bank, then each register bank containing 8 register. That means ki 32 byte is allocated for register bank. Then next is 16 byte. Then the 16 byte is used for bit addressable area. Then after that 80 bytes is used for general purpose data memory. Then it's contain 32 input output pins, and that pins are arranged as a 4 8-bit ports like P0, P1, P2 and P3. Then it also contains 2 16-bit timer and counter, T0 and T1. Then for communication purpose is contain full duplex serial port. Then it's contain control registers like TCON, TMOD, SCON, PCON, IP and IE. Then it's contain 2 external interrupt and 3 internal interrupt sources. That means ki total 5 interrupt. Then oscillator and clock circuits, and that oscillator and clock circuit run up to 1 to 16 MHz frequency. Then at last it also contains powerful instruction set for programming. Then it support power down and ideal mode, which are power saving mode. These are the special features in 8051 microcontroller. Then block diagram of microcontroller. So in block diagram of microcontroller, first part is ALU. This first part is ALU. ALU, that means ki arithmetic and logical unit. So in this part, it also contains 8-bit register A and B. These two register A and B is 8-bit register. Then program counter and DPTR 16-bit registers. It also contains PSW, that means this part. Then RAM and ROM part, internal RAM and ROM part. Then it also contains 4 ports, port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. Then these ports are used for multifunction. Multifunction, that means ki use as an input output port and is also used as a other function. Like Port 0 is used as an input output plus AD0 to AD7, that means ki lower order address bus and data bus. Then port 1 only used for input output purpose. Then port 2. Port 2 is used for input output port plus it used as a higher order address bus. Then port 3. Port 3 is used as a input output port plus it also contain interrupt, counter, serial data, then read, write, etc. Then next is a internal RAM structure. So in internal RAM structure, this is a register bank 0. That means ki 4 register banks. Register bank 0, register bank 1, register bank 2, register bank 3. Then this register bank contains 32 byte. Then after that 16 byte is used for bit addressable area. Then this is the special function registers like IE that means interrupt enable, IP that means interrupt priority, then PCON, S buffer, SCON, TCON, T mode, TL0, TH0, TL1, TH1, etc. Then last part is a system timing and system interrupt. So for system timing and interrupt purpose, these are the pins EA that means external enable, okay, then ALE that means address latch enable, then PSEN, then for oscillator purpose crystal 1 and crystal 2, then for reset pin, okay, then last VCC and ground, these 2 pin is used for power. This is the block diagram of 8051 microcontroller. Then next is a detailed explanation about each block. So first block is CPU register. So in CPU register, first start from ALU. So what is the full form of ALU? Arithmetic Logical Unit. An arithmetic logical unit is capable of operating on byte level as well as bit level instruction. Then ALU performs arithmetic function that means ki addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then it also capable of performing logical function like Boolean function. Then next is register A. So register A is also called accumulator. Then accumulator is used for many operations, particularly mathematical and logical operation. And it also used for a Boolean bit manipulations. Then a register is also used for all data transfer between 8051 and any external memory. Next is a register B. So B register is used with A register for multiplication and division operation and has no other than data storage. Then next 16-bit register PC, that means program counter, and DPTR. So first one is PC program counter. The program counter 16-bit register which is used to hold address of a byte in program memory. Okay, then PC is automatically incremented after every instruction byte is fetched. Then only this register that does not have any internal address. Then DPTR. So DPTR is a 16-bit register. Then it made up of 2 8-bit registers, name like DPL, that means ki higher byte, and DPL, that means ki lower byte. Then it is used when memory address of internal and external code access. Okay, that means ki it is used for code access for internal and external. That means ki program. Then it also used as a external data access. Then DPL and DPH are each assign an address, that means ki different address. Then it can be used in a lookup table accessing mode. Next, stack pointer. So stack, what is a stack? Stack is a part of RAM. It is used for temporary data storage. Then stack pointer points only to internal RAM of microcontroller. When system is switched on, stack pointer is initialized to 07H. Then program status word. So program status word contain flag register which store 1-bit result of certain program instruction. Then 8051 has 4 math flag like carry flag, auxiliary carry, overflow and parity. Then it also contains user flag F0. Then memory. So it's contain internal memory like 128 byte of internal RAM, and this memory is called data memory. Then 4 kilobyte of internal ROM. Then this memory is called program memory. So internal RAM is divided in 3 category. So first 32 bit, that means ki 4 register bank RB0 to RB3. Then each containing 8 register. Then next is 16 byte. Then 16 byte may be used as a bit level address. That means ki 20H to 2F. This memory is used for bit addressable memory. Then 80 byte of memory is used for general purpose data memory. That means ki 30H to 7F. This memory is used for general purpose memory. Then about ROM. So internal ROM, that means ki 4 kilobyte, it occupies code address space 000H to 0FFFH. Then external memory. So it's this 8051 microcontroller contains 16-bit address bus. That's why capacity of this is a 64 kilobyte. That's why in the 8051 microcontroller, it's contain additional both RAM and ROM memory can be added up to 64 kilobyte externally. Then external memory fetched by connecting the external access pin. An external access pin, that is ki pin number of 31 of 8051, and it's connected to ground because it's a lower active registers SFR. So special function register IP, IE, TMOD, TCON and SCON, and PCON contain control and status bits for the interrupt system, timer and counter and serial ports. Then IP, IE used for interrupt, SCON is used for serial communication. Then TCON, TMOD are related with timer and counter. Then PCON is used for power saving mode. Then next is IO ports. That means ki input output ports. So 32 input output pins are arranged as a 4 8-bit ports. Then in this, ports can be configured as a input by writing logic 1 and output by writing logic 0. Okay, then port 0 is used for 8-bit port for input output purpose, and it also used as a lower order address bus and data bus. That means ki AD0 to AD7. Then port 1 is only used for 8-bit port for input and output. Then port 2 is used for 8-bit port for input output and higher order address bus like A8 to A15. Then port T3 is used for 8-bit port for input output and alternate function like serial interface bit, that means ki TXD, RXD, that means transmit data, receive data. Then timer T0 and T1 and interrupt IIT0 and INT1 and read and write signal. Then oscillator. Oscillator 8051 has on-chip oscillator. Then for that, crystal 1 and crystal 2 pins are provided for connecting a resonance network to form oscillator. Then crystal frequency range from 1 MHz to 16 MHz. Then oscillator formed by crystal, capacitor and on-chip inverter generate a pulse train at the frequency of crystal. Then system timing pins. So in system timing pins, ALE otherwise program. So ALE, that means address latch enable, and this is the output pin, and it is active high. When connecting an 8031 to external memory, port 0 provide both address and data. Then ALE pin is used for demultiplexing the address bus and data bus. Then program pulse input during EEPROM programming. EEPROM, that means ki erasable programmable read-only memory. Then PSEN. PSEN, that means program store enable, is an output pin and this read drop to external program memory and is connected with OE, that means output enable pins of ROM. When device is executing out of external program memory, PSEN is activated twice each machine cycle. Then PSEN is not activated when the device is executing out of internal program memory. Then EA and VPP. EA, that means ki enable address, is a input pin and must be connected to either VCC or ground. When using internal memory, this pin is connected to VCC, that means high logic, and when the CPU has to execute external memory, this pin is connected to ground, that means ki lower logic, to enable use of external address. Then in EEPROM device, this pin also receive programming supply voltage VCC during EEPROM programming. Then RST, that means ki reset pin. This reset pin is pin number 9 of 8051. Then it's an input pin and it active high pin. So reset is accomplished by holding the reset pin high for at least 2 machine cycle, that means ki 24 oscillator periods while oscillator is running. Thank you.